It is the final week of the month, and your agency's momentum grinds to a halt. Instead of planning next quarter's strategy, your entire team is drowning in spreadsheets. You are exporting CSV files from Meta ads, pulling conversion metrics out of Google ads, and trying to align all of it with the event-based tracking inside GA4. GA4, or Google Analytics 4, is an event-based tracking platform that precisely measures how users interact with websites and apps. Every hour spent copying and pasting numbers is an hour you cannot bill to a client. It is an immediate hit to your agency's profit margin. Ask any operations manager how to fix this bottleneck, and they will give you the exact same answer. You need to build automation workflows. But the tools we use to automate are splitting into two completely different philosophies, forcing your agency to pick a side. Manual reporting traps your marketers in data entry roles, leaving them no time to analyze the numbers they just compiled. On one side, you have the established, heavyweight giants of automation, Make and Zapier. They are massive, blank canvases that let you connect almost any software on the internet. On the other side is a newcomer called Markifact. This platform operates as an AI-first marketing agent designed specifically for advertising and analytics. The choice comes down to agnostic customizability versus marketing-specific simplicity. Do you want a massive system that can do almost anything, or a platform that specializes in exactly one thing? You have to carefully decide whether to invest weeks learning how to structure complex logic in a very broad tool, or adopt a specialized platform that already understands what a click-through rate is. Making the wrong choice means you will either pay for massive computational power you never use, or you will restrict your agency's ability to scale its daily operations. Zapier and Make have incredibly deep ecosystems. Zapier alone allows you to connect over 7,000 different applications across almost every business sector imaginable. But that massive scale requires you to do the heavy lifting. You have to build the logic, write the formulas, and design the reporting structures from absolute scratch. Markifact restricts its ecosystem to roughly 15 core marketing APIs, focusing entirely on platforms like Google Ads, Meta, and Shopify. This chart shows how those ecosystems compare on a learning curve. Zapier gives you thousands of options, but requires much more technical knowledge. Because Markifact is focused, it offers pre-built reporting and monitoring templates that require almost zero configuration. However, if your agency needs to automate complex back-end human resources tasks or non-marketing CRM workflows, Markifact will be completely useless to you. The platform intentionally sacrifices universal utility so it can eliminate the technical setup phase for core performance marketing tasks. Markifact's defining feature is its native AI Copilot, which acts as an active participant in your workflow. The Copilot reads your performance trends and translates them into clear, plain language summaries you can hand directly to your clients. You can even instruct the AI agent directly through WhatsApp to draft complete Google Ads campaigns using simple text commands. From a single prompt, the tool generates your campaign structure, writes the headlines, and fills out descriptions instantly. But there is a crucial safety guardrail built in. Nothing the AI generates goes live without explicit manual human approval. The system actively interprets your campaign data and prepares the next strategic move for your review, rather than just shuttling numbers from point A to point B. Setting up multi-step monitoring workflows inside Markifact is where you will start to hit friction. The platform still has an early-stage user interface. When a complex workflow fails, the system provides very limited error clarity. You will spend unbillable time testing each block to find a single missing field in a broken sequence. Then there is the financial constraint. Markifact uses a credit-based system, and the Pro plan caps you at 5,000 credits per month. This chart demonstrates what happens when you run high-frequency automations. Hourly budget checks and real-time performance alerts will rapidly consume that 5,000 credit limit before the month is over. Compared to this, a platform like Make offers much cheaper operational scaling when you need to run high-frequency, repetitive tasks. If your agency requires granular monitoring, Markifact's debugging friction and credit pricing will quickly become a severe operational bottleneck. Markifact is not a direct replacement for tools like Make or Zapier. It is a highly specialized marketing assistant. This decision tree shows exactly when to use Make or Zapier. Choose them for large analytics teams, custom data models, or integrations outside of marketing. But if you are a freelancer drowning in routine reporting, you should choose Markifact. The choice requires trading a broad app ecosystem for an AI that inherently understands the practical value of a cost-per-click metric. Your choice is dictated entirely by whether your agency sells custom data architecture or clear, consistent marketing insights. Markifact is still in its early stages, so you should expect strict credit limits and the occasional workflow bug. But you have to weigh those minor frustrations directly against the sheer volume of unbillable hours you will save on manual monthly reporting. The marketing industry is shifting away from passive data pipes and moving toward active, agentic assistants that execute tasks for you. Audit your own wasted hours this month to see exactly how much time an AI agent could give back to your team. Embracing niche automation allows you to shift your value proposition away from compiling data toward high-level strategic consulting.